Welcome back to another Creality CR-10 3D printing episode. We have another tank here built. This is the T-14 Armada, Russian built. Yes, this didn't work out too well. I'm gonna have to fix that. But here, I'm gonna show you. I printed in two parts. That's the support material. Printed the bottom. And as you can see, the bottom came out really well. The tracks came out great. The detail. You can see the little, whatever you call those bumps on the thing. Here's the front of it. Even the hooks on the front are great. Here's the bottom. And here's the back. You have some detail. Some hook stuff, some kind of wires and stuff. Really nice. And here's the top. We have some support material in there. I'm gonna get rid of that. Got some hooks on the sides there. The antenna. And fix that. Especially this guy. That needed support material. For some reason it didn't print from there to there. No support material. Why? I don't know. Alright, so that was done.